Hello, we're going to sample perfume and I'm going to give you a few tips on how to get the most out of your samples. First of all, there's a huge difference between trying a perfume on paper and trying it on skin. Try to spray it from about 10 centimeters distance so that the perfume can diffuse. You can close your eyes while smelling it. I always like that, it's kind of a surprise. Once you've determined whether this is a strong fragrance or a more lighter fragrance, then you can think on how you will apply it on the skin. For instance, if this is a really dense, deep dark oud or leather fragrance, you might want to spray it in a different way than whether this is a floral or a citric. Make sure you don't wear any metallic bracelets or watches that might leave a smell on your skin, because that may influence your scent experience. In my case, I have just a few bracelets, so that's no big problem. Try to smell it from a distance. You can smell it from close, but to determine the projection of the fragrance. Are you looking for a fragrance that really projects or something that stays close to the skin? Try to wear your fragrance at different occasions, because different occasions and different moods really determine on how you experience your fragrance. So whether you're at the office, a romantic dinner, or if you're taking a hike through the forests, it all adds up as to how you experience your perfume. The best thing is to just live with the fragrance. Try it the whole day. Try to smell it at different points during the day. Smell it in the morning, smell it in the afternoon. See how the perfume develops on your skin. Have fun sampling your perfumes. I wish you a very good fragrance journey, and we do welcome you in the Perfume Lounge here in Amsterdam. Bye bye.